Hello folks, this is entertainer Stone Thug, and I'm here to tell you about a new book that has come out called Man vs. Tornado. Now I'm better known as Tornado Man, Tornado Boy, and this book is written about my life. It was a horrible time in America where a supercell hit the Midwest, killing a total of 360 people, damaging millions of dollars, even billions in destructive damage from the F5 tornadoes that swept across the Midwest at a time in history called the Great American Tornado Outbreak. I was part of that outbreak, having the distinction of being the only human being alive today that had the displeasure of being sucked up by a waterspout and a tornado in one day, thrown a quarter of a mile in a small boat and survived. There have been many people who have had experience of some form or another with tornadoes, and some with waterspouts. Some have even been blown around rooms and thrown a few yards with tornadoes. But only one other individual, a child, 15 years ago found by the sheriff's department, had ever been thrown a quarter of a mile and have lived, aside myself. This story is known as Man vs. Tornado, and a new book that I want you to go and listen to. It's an audio book. And if you're interested, I'll give you a signed manuscript as well as one of my CDs as a gift. The CD is very special. It's about lost ones, loved ones lost. And the manuscript, of course, is just more details about what you would hear in the audiobook. That audiobook is available now. The link is in the description. The manuscript, as well as the CD, those are free gifts from me to you. If you've ever had a loved one involved in a tornado or a waterspout, it's a terrible, terrible experience. And they could tell you, most people don't make it out once these things just pass over you. But to be sucked up and thrown, it's a whole nother story. Anyway, the details are in the description. Thank you for listening, and God bless. Please pass this video along. Let your friends and family know there's a book out. One of the greatest tornado stories in the history of America.